Hi, Claire here from Inky Inspiration, and today's video is a Papercraft Society unboxing. It is the new box, it's just arrived. I believe it's box number 60. I may be totally wrong actually when I open it up. We'll have a look. So it looks like we've got a floral theme, I believe. It's a lovely colour. We'll open it up. I'm just going to check that I am box 60. Yes, I am. So it is by Stamps by Me. And this month's quote is, "Crafting is a language of love, spoken through the hands and shared with the heart." So we'll start with the folder. I've got to remember that there's a bit of plastic on these because I keep nearly tearing them, and I like to keep my bits within the folder so that I know what everything's come out of when I come to craft. So it looks like we've got a, actually if I put that, move them out of the way. We've got a bird and floral theme. I haven't got any bird stamps actually, so that's quite a, what's the word I'm looking for? Quite a nice idea in my collection. That's the wrong word, but that will do for now. So sentiments say, birds sing in harmony, fluttering wings of wonderful surprises, have a beautiful day, and hello. And we've got matching dies for those. These look really nice on a trellis card actually. And we've got a layering stamp for a beautiful flower as well. So I'll pop that to one side, see what's in our tissue paper. Loving the fuchsia pink. So I've got some twine. I do love twine actually on cards. These look like they're tiny and I'm going to get them everywhere. Let's see what these are. Oh, some little flat back silver gems. There's loads of them. Absolutely loads there. I've got them everywhere already. And instead of being in one of those envelopes, which the last few lots of embellishments have been in, and I've torn the envelope, that is actually resealed really well this time. So we've got our coordinating cardstock. And they are really lovely colours. Really lovely. I love that. Greens, pinks and purples. Can't decide what this, oh, I think it's patterned vellum. Oh, it is, how lovely. Put that on there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that better. That one's got birds on. That one's flowers. Oh, they're really pretty. And then we've got a clear feathers, and this one's got like a green tint to it, and I can't decide if it's just the lighting in here or if the feathers could actually be really pale pink. I think they are. That's really pretty, that. Gosh, we've got loads of card this time and papers. Patterned paper. It feels really thick. Oh, I see. So the vellum, does that match? Yes, it does. So the vellum and the papers, I believe, are the same pattern. Yes, there must be, because I've got feathers there now. And don't forget, you can download these as well from the from Craftstash if you subscribe. And then some mirror card. Those that follow me know that I'd love mirror card. Four sheets of mirror card as well. And then we've got our leaflet full of inspiration. Oh, that's beautiful. I love how we've used the vellum in the background for that. I like to sit down with a cuppa and go through this at my own pace. You can see how there's, I think that's the, yeah it is, that's the layering stencil there. So this is definitely not something that I would normally buy. These are not something that I would normally pick to work with. So I'm actually loving that I'm going to be working with something a little bit different here. And I've got a few ideas already. A lovely shaker using the gems. I can't wait to get started. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.